This one is another restoration project.
Display's hanging off. There's something going on with the motor where the tire's been burning through the motor wire. Look how close that wire is to the wheel.
I believe this wire has been repaired. The motor wire is also damaged. So after I repair the motor, I still have an issue. Get the controller unit. I noticed one of the wires has snapped. Restoration of this Pure Advance Plus
Is now done. I had to repair the motor and the controller unit wire
and also the display. This scooter is now up and ready to hit the road. If you'd like to buy this scooter, please drop me a message in the inbox.